Like a solo ballerina who has just completed a brilliant performance, this beautiful JAL jet proudly glides off the stage, accompanied by her faithful attendants in waiting.
Russell!
Here the crew is testing the thrust reversing mechanism of the jet engine. The JAL DC-8 jet plane Yoshino will perform flawlessly when it takes off in a few hours, according to the dependable Japan Airlines flight schedule.
Today's flight is from Montreal to Jamaica. The plane is so huge it can carry comfortably 137 passengers. Most of them are dressed warmly, but their luggage contains bathing suits and suntan lotion.
Morning, Louise.
Morning, Captain.
Right.
Morning, gentlemen. How does the weather look down south?
Very good, both in Nassau and Jamaica. Starting 3. Starting 4. Starting 2.
Braniff International, Eldorado Superjet, Flight 51, from Washington to Dallas and Mexico City, now ready for departure, gate 22.
No flags on the left.
Emergency brake.
Wired and pressure.
Fire control panel.
Check.
Exterior lights.
As required and off.
And eye switches.
5 off.
Q heat. Checking off. Recorder. Testing off.
Cockpit from ground. Number 3 is clear. Turning 3. Turn 4.